Hi guys and welcome back. This is how you can close a panel in Premiere Pro, a video editing program or film editing program, so that you can control what you want to see in this section with panels that you need or the panels that you don't need. For example, this history panel with this history of the edits that you did before, and you overwrote, a file, and then you deleted things, something like that. Created a new project, for example, and we rely pretty much on undoing actions by hitting Control and the Z keys on the keyboard, something like that, to undo, the editing action. So we don't really need the history panel. To close this panel, the history panel, click on the panel, and then right click on close panel, just like so. That panel has been removed. If you want to bring it back, go to window and then click on history. It's brought back. If you want to close the info panel, right click, close panel, and then if you want to bring it back, go to window and then click on info. As easy as that. You don't want to close the panel with the effects that are necessary for enhancing your video or do some tweaks with the audio. Alright, but if you want to close it though, right click, close panel, and then if you want the panel to appear again, go to window, effects. That's it. That's how you can close panels in Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching guys. Do drop a like if you enjoyed the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for me. It's good day. Ciao.